Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review this package I received from Timo, and this is how it looks like. It's supposed to be LCD display. When I ordered this one, it's supposed to be with the LCD display. Let's see. And yes, it is. Okay, it's got a little manual here. It goes to 420 Celsius from 260 to 420. It's got a, so basically take this out, put this up, and then lean it against it. It's USB-C, USB-C cable. This is a tip. Another thing, here's the flux paste. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, so you hold it press. So by default it says PTC. It's set to PTC. No, that's same thing. So by default goes to 260, the minimum. And then if we want 300, 340, 380. Okay, it's shut off already. No way. Two 60 already melts the. Okay, so it's got a light here, so press both of them at the same time. Turn the light off. Okay. Now again to turn the light on. In sleep mode, the device will automatically turn off after 5 minutes in activity. Low battery warning. When the voltage is 2.9 volts, the screen will display LO. Heating element insertion reminder. If the heating element is not inserted correctly, the screen will display HE. So that's what it says, HE. I guess the tip is not inserted correct. Okay. So that's what it is. It does work. And turn it off. Long press, let it cool down a little bit. Then I'll try to redo the head. Okay, let's see. Oh, damn it, it's still hot. Just burn my skin. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.